Welcome back, everybody. So, guys, for now, I'm just gonna do some last that page. So, what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go to the browser first, and what I'm just gonna do now, you can see that there is a border. I'm just gonna change the style of the border to make it some to apply some latest designing. So, where is the border? The border has been applied to this single item. So here, I'm just pressing enter. I'm just setting the box shadow 00 and 5px and save and admin space, and now the color, the box shadow color, black, no, gray for now. Save it. Now go to the browser and refresh that. This is like that. Go back to the notepad, and what I'm just gonna do, I'm just gonna change the color of the background, the border. I'm just making it gray as well. So save and go back to the browser and refresh that. This is looking fine and at least better than that one. If I just make it silver, just testing this out, refresh that. Now this is looking more beautiful, and basically this is what I just want to create here, but it needs something more. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go to the notepad back, and you know that I just applied this container class, which is actually the bootstraps class here, the container class. So I'm just gonna call the container class here at the very top, just after the no padding, the container, and before the container I'm just calling the whole body. I just want to do something really interesting here. The background for the body color I'm adding is white. Now, oh sorry, not the white, actually the white is by default color. I'm adding the silver. Save it. Now go to the browser back and refresh that. Now you can see that all these things became silver. I'm going to the notepad back, and I'm just going to the container area and just adding a background color as white for the silver. So refresh that again, and now this is what I just want, and looking great. When we just add more content here, then you will see that this space, the gray color, won't be anymore. I'm just going to the notepad back and just going to this silver color and just updating this into a number E6, E6, and E6. Now save that and go back to the browser and refresh that. Now this is looking more beautiful. Now just for testing you, I'm just simply copying this column3, copying and duplicating multiple times. Now save and now go to the browser and refresh that. Yeah, this is what I just want to create, and I've created something where I just want to do here. I just want to add some space at the bottom of these objects, these items. I'm adding some more for now just to confirm you that it's going perfect. Refresh now. Yep, this is what I just want. Now I'm just gonna add the space just after all these objects. So go to the notepad back, and the single object is a single item. So here I'm gonna add the margin just for now. I'm not gonna add the margin for the whole thing, only the margin top. Yeah, the margin top. Wait, I'm just gonna go to the browser. It has no margin at the top and the bottom as well. So the margin top and the bottom. So for now I'm just setting the 10px. Save and now go to the browser and refresh that. Now there is a margin at the top, and yeah, all the items has the margin at the top. So I'm just adding press enter and just typing margin bottom. Yeah, and now what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna add the 20 pixels at the bottom. Now you will see something more interesting. Refresh that now. Yep, at the top it's still on the same space, but at the bottom it's looking beautiful and actually the correct space. And yeah, you can see that the very bottom of this website, it's actually looking awesome. Now when I just click on any page, then I should go to the inner page of this website. Yeah, exactly. I'm just gonna make that page as well. But for now, what I'm just gonna do, I'm just gonna make the footer. So now just go to the notepad back, and here I just need to create the footer. So this is the column-d. There are a lot of column-ds. This is the whole container. This is actually the container. So I'm just gonna add the footer after the container. So just press enter here and just add the last div, and I'm adding some more things. For example, the class. Yeah, I'm making the nav bar again. So I'm making this as footer first. Footer. Basically I didn't use the header. This website doesn't need the header. The navigation bar is too fine, but now I'm just setting the bar, and the nav bar default. Oh, default. Now this is pretty fine. Go inside. Oh, this should be the footer as well when the bottom one was the footer. Now go inside And now I just need to add the div. Here I'm adding the div as well, and I'm adding the next class container fluid. Yeah, this is what I just want. Go inside the container fluid and just make another div. You can see that what I'm doing. And the class, the next class, the navbar, the spelling should be correct, navbar header. Yeah, well, here we just don't need the header, we just only need the navigation. So I'm just removing the navbar header, navbar, nav, yeah, the navigation area basically. Now go inside, and what more I'm gonna do, first of all, I'm just gonna update this div into the UL, and then I'll just pick my next step. Now go inside and just make the li. This is what I just want. Remove them. Now add the contents here, like the privacy page, privacy, or the first of all the terms and conditions. Okay, duplicate, and now I'm just gonna add the privacy. Oh, spelling should be clear. Now just here the about us, and what more we just need here, the return policy. Yeah, that's awesome. Now save it. Now I just need to go to the browser to check that out, refresh that, and now you can see that there isn't the, yeah, there is the new header, the footer I've added, but it needs a lot of things. Go back to the browser, and yeah, I'm gonna apply all these things which is required. First of all, I'm making it as inverse. Save it. Now go back to the browser and refresh that. Yeah, now I just need to do something with these elements. Go to the browser, and now we just need to add the a tag, the a hyperreference, cover that up, and add the hash sign. Oh, the hash sign. Go down, do the same things as I'm doing, the hyperreference, the hash sign, the covering. Yeah, awesome. Do the same thing with the next one as well, and the fourth one is the last one here, hyperreference, the hash sign. Yeah, and go there, just make it a cover, and cover them as well. That's pretty fine. Okay, now I just need to go down, and here I'm just going save, and now go back to the browser and refresh that. This is what I've created. Now the issue is this one is not fixed, and the top one as well. The top one is okay, but I just want the bottom one as fixed. So what I just need to do, I just need to go to the notepad back, and here just add in space, come on, the nav bar fix bottom. We just learned all these things about the nav bar, about the inverse, about the nav bar fixed bottom, etc, the fixed top in the Bootstrap chapter. Refresh that. Now this one is fixed and looking pretty awesome. Now go to the browser, and here just add the div, come on, oh, here class I'm using as clear fixed. Save, and now go to the browser and refresh that. So now what the next step I should step out, actually I just need to make the next page. When anyone clicks on any beautiful watch or different content I can add here, then the user should go to that page. So guys, in the next class we'll meet again, and I'll make the next thing. Stay tuned and goodbye.